Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we've got a Jeep Wrangler by Matchbox, and this one is part of the Jurassic World movie set of cars. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Jeep Wrangler out of its box. And the first thing you will notice is this classic Jurassic Park theme on this vehicle. The green with this red and yellow paint. Does say Jurassic Park on the side with that dinosaur symbol. You also get yellow wheels, and you do get a half door with some mirrors. Also have roll cage all over it. But in the front one kind of looks weird. I don't know why. But let's move to the front. So up front, you've got both the windshield wipers, and you do have the rectangular headlamps if you like. Only for one generation, then it moved back to the circular ones or the round ones. You don't have any details, like these are not painted. You do get a winch and some auxiliary lamps on the bumper. You can see again those are not painted. We also got the Jurassic Park logo on the hood, and the paint theme continues. Now coming to the passenger side, it looks almost identical. The only difference I can see is the fuel filler here. And now you'll also see the step from the side here. There's steps there. Now coming to the back, again you can see the tail lamp position, but it's not detailed. There's a C place for number plate. You got a spare wheel, and this looks like step on the bumper maybe. So you got that. Since it's a open top, you can see the interior too. It's finished in gray, and you've got a bench seat in the back. You can see the steering wheel, speedo, the other clocks there, AC vents, and the gear lever. You can see there are two gear levers because one is the gear one, the other one is the four-wheel drive selector in the Jeep. You also got the visors, the rear view mirror there. So that's on the details, and this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, I think it's a nice looking casting. Can use some more details, but for a mainline, still got a nice paint and nice design and theme going on. So it does look good. And I think if you're a fan of Jurassic World, Jurassic Park movies, you should definitely get this one. Well, that's all for the day. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.